You're not sad again, are you, Splash Gang?
This is for Kevin's KE70. Shout out to Raysport.
Yeah, man. Look at the
We collected the rims for all 3 of our cars. So later on we'll head back to the garage and we'll start working on the KE and the YDSX. Ja.
How do you do it?
Oh, how do you feel? First sponsor, got tire, got rim.
Yeah, thank you so much for sponsoring me. So wishing this for a long time. So hope I will perform well, I guess. 8.5G.
This one 8.5.
8.5G lah.
Iron Man.
Cantik lah, Mike.
Offset lah.
Okay,
Output
mas.
space. It's not offset 35, right? 30 what?
35. Ini I know you don't like.
Just the color lah.
This one Wing Hong's one lah. Very happy lah he. Sorry.
The Mine Man?
Oh, this one nice. Black and beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Tara. No GG lah.
Hai lah.
So this is your own welding kit ah.
Yes, my own personal welding set.
So this one from not nice to nice.
To nice to professional well, I guess.
So we are here doing the S15. 180 SX. Kevin is now doing the seat rail so we can take passengers inside this car. So I think for today we will also remove the windshield. We will break it open and then we just did a few modifications here and there. Gold color pipe and all. Because we changed the fuel pump was wrong, so we also got a turtle frog Turtle factory, not turtle frog, turtle factory fuel regulator. Also fit in the radiator. So we also got the AN fittings for that. Right here!
let's learn how to welding today. Today, let's do it.
Okay, here this is the voltage and this is the wire. So wire speed. So the voltage is like around 20. So it'll be like 40 something. So wire speed it will be this one. So the speed of the wire coming out. So you must hear and listen to the machine. Be one with the machine. Clear up your metal. So one thing you hold. So if you beginner, wear a glove or something. So just tap. Then tap one here. Okay, done right? After that, no need to hold.
Then how do you connect it?
Connect it. You want me to weld or you want to weld?
Huh? Later I cut and
Okay.
weld again.
So just from the start here, you just slowly pull the curve. Pull. Steady. Hand must be very steady. So don't look at the light. Okay, I'm not a professional welder, but okay lah.
Shorty lah, it's blur.
Oh,
What shorty?
You shorty lah.
Why I
What are you doing with the hammer? Why are you eating the glass on?
Don't you break your car?
No, you dare means you break lah.
Really? Yeah?
Ah.
You sure?
Ah.
One. What is this? 180 all, only 180 all lah.
That's why I try lah. Why am I not breaking?
Why are you breaking your own glass?
People already see the cloth inside.
So finally, we gotta work on the KE70 today. These are all the stuff that we have. We just got these new rims from Raysport today. So we have steering wheels, quick release from my previous car. The 4AGE 20 valve trumpets from Toda Racing. So today, hopefully we have enough time to work on the differential because I broke my final gear during the last practice. You know how to put or not?
Cannot lah, this thing cannot. This one, take another one.
Slowly.
No, this thing is going to break soon.
Oh.
So. Slowly. Okay. What did you do today morning?
Let me know.
Need I chase.
You push the top first, actually.
Why is it breaking? Huh?
Let's go, bro.
You're not sad again, are you, Splash Gang? You promised.
Whoa. Ngâm ngâm.
You're not sad again, are you, Splash Gang?
What is it, ah? What the hell?
There's nothing.